Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are well and I hope you all are making good passive money. Welcome back to CyberPunk VIP where I teach you guys how to earn money passive and through trading. Today's video is going to be a video about Olymptrade, which is a platform, which is an OTC platform, a binary trading platform where you earn money by betting either up or by either down. If you don't know what Olymptrade is, how it works, I have a dedicated video about Olymptrade. I'll place the link in the description of the video, so make sure that you head over and watch that video. This video is for all those guys who told me that my signals don't work, and this is a video about my secret strategy. Alright, how you have to take my signals and how the signals are going to work. This is my CyberPunk Olymptrade trading group, and you can see here that every day we are making money. Right.
I'm Rajan.
So I have testimonials of my clients as well who are making money with my signals. The problem arises when a lot of you start complaining to me that you are not able to take my signals. So today I'll be telling you how you have to take my signals. First of all, you should have a laptop and you should have a phone. On the mobile phone, you should have opened the Telegram, and on the laptop, you should have opened your Olymptrade account. Alright. As soon as I give my signal on the Telegram, you either have to place up or you either have to place down. So you should not wait for the time. You don't have to put in a lag. So as soon as I give a signal in the Telegram, you just place an up bet from here, and that up bet has been opened from here. And as you know that I give 1 minute duration signals, so in 1 minute if you lose even 2 seconds or 3 seconds, you're going to lose your money. So for that it is important that you take the signal as I give you. And the thing about this Olymptrade is might be I have to type the signal as well at that time. So for you guys it is important that you look around and cater for one thing. For example, now you see you are continuously observing the market, where it is going and where it is not going. So by the time my signal reaches to you, it's already about 3 to 4 seconds late. Okay, so one thing that you have to do is to observe the movement of that 3 to 4 seconds. For example, I said that the coin should go or the pair should go up from that place. Then you have to see the last 3 to 4 seconds movement. If the last 3 to 4 seconds movement was up, then you don't have to take that signal, just skip that signal. And in the last 3 to 4 seconds, if that signal has gone down, then take the signal. Okay, why am I saying that? Because my point of buying was different from yours, and by the time I have bought, after 4 seconds, within those 4 seconds, by the time that signal came to you, it went up in the same direction, so you don't have to buy that. But if I have given you a signal to buy, and within this 3 to 4 seconds lag time, the signal went down, now you should buy, because your buying position is lower than mine. And now if the trade close in profit for me, it will also close in profit for you. That's very, very, very simple. And this is how you have to work with my signals. And you know the signal accuracy of my signals is more than 99%. Every day I give 20 signals, and about 19 signals they hit their targets. So if you also want to join my free Telegram group, and if you want to trade for free for my signals, then all you have to do is to sign up with my link. I'll place the link in the description of this video. Alright, you just have to follow that link and just let me know your client ID. You can find your client ID from here. This is your client ID, just give that to me and you are in my team. And even then, if you're losing money, then just contact me. Alright, if you're not in my team, that these signals might not work for you. It will only work for those who are in my team. People have been coming to me and telling me that you're working on a demo account and your signals are not working, so it won't work like that. You have to get yourself verified under my partners, and after that the signals that I take will be the same for you. So this was how you have to take about my trades. This is how you have to go about my signals. This is very important because if you do not take my signals on time, if you do not take them seriously, if you start doing the trades by your own, then eventually you're going to lose your money. So that was it about this Olymptrade platform. I wanted to give you guys an update about this. So anyone who will be depositing with my link, he will get a 50% bonus on the top of what he's depositing. So it's a great massive opportunity for anyone who wants to make good profits. With this, I'll put this video till the end. If you have any questions, write down in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to assist you guys. With that being said, I'll hope to see you guys in a new video. CyberPunk out.